Once you've created a course, in order to create a lecture to go into that course, click on the lecture under the collection types. Here you will see a list of existing lectures. You can either use an existing lecture to go into your course, or you can create a new lecture using create new entry. In the same way as we did for a course, we can add details of a lecture here, like the title of the lecture, the abstract. You can add the difficulty level for the lecture itself, and other details like the learning outcomes, acknowledgement, and references. Under blocks, you can add links to the lecture blocks that make up this lecture once they have been published. And once you publish your course, you can add the lecture to the course that you want to add it to. And under lecture creators, you can add the authors that make up the lecture. Once done, you can save your progress using the save button. And once you're happy with the lecture, you can publish it using the publish option.